So I'm camped about 4 miles away down the hill, down in that valley down there on top of a hill. And this is Serria Butte North. Pretty kind of looking west at it. It's pretty gnarly, pretty cool looking. I'm in Tahoe National Forest area. It's windy and a lot colder up here in the mountains. I like that. It's better than burning up hot. But this is where I'll be camping tonight, up in the mountains, middle of nowhere, as usual. It's just cooler. It's nicer. No mosquitoes, no real bugs. Today is Thursday the 30th. And that's it for today.